this is what you're gonna do to turn on Matron on your keyboard, which is Yahama PSR 550. First thing first, what we're gonna do, let me simply switch off this and then turn it on, just like that. And what we're gonna do next is simply pressing function key. We have function keys right here, that one. You press that, just press function key, you can see that it goes to multi-part. And what we're gonna do next is simply press this. You can press that until you go to, anyway, let me go directly into utility. There's something called utility here. By simply pressing utility, just press utility and you're going to see utility there. Let's go back. Sorry, no, nothing there. So it's coming. Late word again. We are going to press functions, just function, just like that. So there is function, and now we can simply go direct into look for utility, just like that. I'm pressing these things, okay? You go up there and it will be for MIDI, so you can simply press that utility, and then after that you come to this next, this one. You press next. By simply pressing that, you can see it goes to Matron. Simply keep pressing that. Now it is on, so you can turn it off by simply pressing this this no here on the keyboard. By pressing that, it will be off. So you can simply turn it on by simply pressing yes, just like that. So now we are done. After you complete that, all you gotta do is that you go direct into record. There's a record here, this one. You can press that record, and now you can see that that is record. Next move is simply goes direct into this thing called back and next. Now it is under that. Let me simply press that. By simply press that, you can see that it changes. It keep changing, just like that. Okay, and we can come back to new rec menu song, just like that. After you know that you reach in that interface, so all you gotta do, you come right here. You are going to simply press yes, simply press yes here. Yes, okay, to turn it on, yes. So press yes right now. You can see that it goes to rec menu new style, and then the next move is simply pressing new style, just like that. You can press that, and then you go direct into this thing called rehearsal, like that, rehearsal, just like that, that one. So all you gotta do is you can simply play that. You can hear that. So let me simply try to do anything here by simply playing. So now there's something very important that you're gonna do. This is what you're gonna do. Before you do anything, just simply while you are still on that rehearsal, just simply press this back. By pressing that, keep pressing that. You can press that and then come to this 001. So all you gotta do is that simply change it by coming to yes or no here, yes or no button, and then you can